Take a sheet of A4 paper in your choice of color. Take the top corner and fold it diagonally like this. And cut off the excess. Then fold it diagonally the opposite way. Then fold it in half. Flip it the other way and take the sides and fold them in like so. Fold it in half again. And take a round object like this lid and trace it onto the paper. You could freehand this, but this way is easier. Once you've cut it out, you should have something that looks like a teardrop. And when you open it, you should have a heart shape. For the decoration, I drew a little snowman, which looks really derpy. Yeah, okay. And then I took the snowman and I cut it out and stuck it onto the heart. I also added a few facial features and his buttons, and a really big mouth. I made a little hat by cutting out some glitter black foam sheet. After that, I took a paper clip and stuck it on the back. This is for making sure the card stays closed. Wow, that's a big hat for a little snowman. I then took a popsicle stick and painted it blue. Once the popsicle stick was dry, I stuck it on the back of the card.